Hi guys, so an update video from the Syncro Workshop. It's been a while since we've brought you any workshop content since last winter really, or late spring. So I thought we'd keep you updated with what we're doing here. Stuff is going on, it's just we've been super busy with the racing side of things and we haven't really had time to do all the video editing and all that sort of stuff, which consumes a lot of time as well. To keep you updated, the series is still here. We haven't forgotten about it, we've just sort of forgotten about it a little bit. And taken our time and put it somewhere else. That's still got the electrical issue that I need to figure out. I think I've got a solution for it. We just need to get into it, which hopefully I'll be doing over the next couple of months over the winter. So we'll get that sorted, get that done and get that out because we're looking forward to getting it finished and it's a cool project. Other things we've been doing, obviously the racing stuff, we've done a lot on that. We're also building a second race car at the minute now for Kim, which is over there in the corner, which isn't a huge way off. We have done some videos, but not a huge amount on that really, but we will bring anything we can from that. And then we've also got this thing here as well, which is another project, a quick project that we just wanted to turn around really quick that showcases some of our products as well on it, and that was super cheap to do as well, so we could just do it, have a bit of fun doing it, and then show off some of the products that we do. So we'll be bringing you a load of videos from that. We've had one big project through the summer that's taken a lot of time, which is a really, really cool one that was a lot of fun to do, and ultimately will create a cool vehicle that's definitely not something that you'd normally see from us. It's not an off-road vehicle at all, so that'll be a good one to see. We'll be releasing videos from that in the coming week or so, and just starting. It's all done, we've filmed it, and it's all just going to start coming through now. We've got that extra time, so yeah, keep your eyes open. If you haven't already liked and followed the page, do it because you'll get the updates for it. And yeah, just give us any feedback you want and we'll try and bring you more.